Welcome back! Glorious sunny day. It's going to get up to about, what was it, 35 today? No, 32, but it'll get hotter than that. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become part of the community. Today we're doing some preventative maintenance on the TDV8. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the TDV8 apart from the wipers occasionally play up. Have a good look, mate. Yeah, nice one. Today we're going to be changing the top intercooler hoses. Which one have I opened? And we're changing them for silicone hoses. These are 5-ply silicone hoses from BAS Sport. Bass tuning, I think it's Vell Auto Services. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm not sponsored by them, but looking on the internet, they're black, whereas a lot of silicone hoses are some pretty awful colours. I didn't really want to open the bonnet and it look boy racery, like, you know, somebody's just driven through Halfords and got a load of bits stuck to their car. These are black, so when you open the bonnet you're not going to notice any difference. Now this is quite a common fault on the TDV8, the 3.6. These hoses, or not these ones, but the ones on the car, the genuine Land Rover ones, tend to split. They delaminate, get holes in them. If you're experiencing a loss of power or a lot of black smoke, you could put it down to your intercooler hoses. So we're going to change them. That's the only reason. There's nothing wrong with the old ones, but further down the line we don't want to have any problems with it. So as I said, preventative maintenance. Could I give you the rubbish, Tina? So I'm going to get over on the car. Tina's already opened the bonnet and flies. We'll take the old ones off and we'll put the new ones on. See how it goes. Yeah, it's on clips.
Where's the clips?
Well, I don't know, just pull the thing up at the front. Right, that's that out of the way.
Is that clip going to drop?
No, it's actually, they're quite clever. They've got hooks on them, so they stay on the hose. That's one old one off. I've got to work out. You got a bit of rag, please. Thank you. They're quite oily around there, so let's put a bit of oil through the old
Should it do it?
Yeah. That's what the bloody EGR valve does. It puts things through there. Right.
We're going to have to work that out, aren't we? Go and get that done.
Is that on? I can't tell.
Yeah.
All the way.
I don't think it'll go any further. No, it's right up against the bolts.
All right. Are they all the same size, these clips? Oh, shit. That's that one done. I won't go through showing you the other one, so we're going to get that changed and then we'll fire it up and we'll check it. Just rev it up. Flip it. Okay, so that's it, a bit of preventative maintenance for you. It's got flipping hot out here. As you're looking at the car, the left hand side was quite easy. The right hand side was a bit more tricky. We got there in the end, it's all on, we fired it up, there's no whistles or noises, so it's all good to go. Oh, I'll go and get indoors now in the shade. It's getting hot out there. Flies. Oh dear. So those hoses came from Baz Tuning, Vell Auto Services, or whatever they're called. I'll put a link in the description below. They specialise in Land Rover stuff. They don't do a lot for this Land Rover, but if you've got Defenders or Discoverers, I think they do like upgraded intercoolers and remaps, all that kind of thing. We just got these hoses just to save problems further down the line. Yeah, back indoors now. I think we'll have a look at the wipers another day. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up. That's all helping, it pushes our videos up. And YouTube suggests it to more people. Subscribe if you haven't already. And from me and Tina,
Who's also hot?
who's also hot, is bye for now.